It's a bit more sky,
Okay.
and you can see where you drop.
Where I drop. I definitely felt this in drop.
Yep.
Isa pa, isa pa.
So that's what you're going for. Is keep it close, right?
Okay. Okay.
Yep. So you just
Ikaw, pre.
Sino?
hold it out. You hold close to your body.
Well, okay. If I put my other.
Shit, ganito ng views. Kaso hindi pa talaga nakikita na meron itong building ito, no? Pero baka nandun pa yung maganda, no?
Pwede pa siguro. May daanan pa naman doon.
Oo, punta tayo dun. Tara, punta tayo dun. Picture tayo. Maganda na dito. Pwede siguro magpatong ka doon, baka makukulog rin. Maganda pumatong, pre. Patong ka dyan sa kwan, pre.
Linis eh. Walang dumi, oh.
Hindi, patong ka dun sa... Yan, dyan, patong ka dyan. Maganda dyan, pre.